Alright, I should be live again. So this time I'm connected from my actual PC that I have. And yeah, let's just see what happens differently right now. So this time I'm connected from Firefox, not Chrome, because I don't have Firefox. I don't have Chrome on this PC, unfortunately. Or fortunately. So yeah, I'll just continue with that, and actually let me open the live stream that I had made previously by going to YouTube Studio. Yeah. Content. So this live stream right here. Yeah, this one. Instead of being unlisted, I'll just make this live public. And just a sec, I'll just connect my mouse to the back of the computer because it's bugging out quite a lot right now. Alright, yeah, publishing this. Yeah. Oh, this already seems quite a lot better, honestly. So, well, at least it's reacting quite fast to my clicks, which is much better. Creating a div here. Does it actually remember? Yeah, so things still here got pasted, like episode name and podcast name, but the rest of the things are missing. So I'll just add it in here. Need to go to /embed in here. Cool. I'm just sharing this live stream with other people in my network so they can join in. So yeah, currently what I have live over here is, gotta connect my headphones now. So if I play this, then it also, yeah, this should be it, maybe. Yeah, that's the one. And in desktop audio, I think need to go to properties and set it to this one. So
all that I have learned with screenshots
yeah,
on my blog.
so basically this is what I've got running right now. I have a mp3 URL from which I'm playing some audio, and now I'm trying to reach the rest of the design, which is on my Figma. So okay, I have to log into Figma again. Do that right now. So yeah, this is what I'm aiming for now. Since I have the left part of this working where I can play and pause an episode, I wanted to display the name of the episode, the name of the podcast, and also have a usable transition slider. So for now, I'll just display the name of the podcast and the episode name. So I'll have to add two divs for that in here. I already have defined these variables up there, so episode name and podcast name basically. Have them in here. Then I simply need to add some styles to them. So I'm not sure how I can get distance between two components in Figma. So, well, I guess I'll click on this and then command click other component. Yeah, get distance between elements is what I need. Control Alt and then the second element. Okay. Cool. So yeah, it's 20 pixels from the left and 11 or let's say 10 pixels from the top. So I'll just trap this in another div because it's just text elements in here. And I'll add those styles to this component. So something like margin top 10 and margin left 20, I guess. It should work. Yeah, that's much better. And then the rest of the styles I can pick from here. So since, well, this is plain CSS, but I want it as the React JSX styled format. How can I do that over here? So I'll just, yes, not do anything different, but just have it, just write them in here, I guess, for now. So font size would be 400. I'm not sure what the default font size there is. Really. So yeah, this is clearly working on the local machine, I guess, or not sure. Well, this always takes way too long to load. I'm not sure if maybe this caused an error. Oh, okay. This seems to have hung up right now, this page. So if I remove this from here, then well, yeah, that seems to have fixed it. I wanted to look at what the default font size for like font weight there was. Let me just check why this is quite so laggy right now. Well, my CPU usage is better over here, but font weight is what I wanted to look at. Not sure what it set to. What if I go for font weight 400 in here? Yeah, I think it looks the same. So the default font weight seems to be 400, which means that I simply need to change its font size in this case. So let's try 36 like I've done in there, which is also a bit too much for us. Let's say 24 then. Yeah, this seems just about right. For the podcast name thing, the colors aren't really final, but they're just something that I picked to get started with, really. So the font size for this seems to be 24, so less than 24 would be 18, I guess. And have the color set to the other thing. Cool. Yeah, this is what I wanted.
I'm currently going through a
Yeah, that's working as intended.
I'm cur-
And now having a transition slider for the uh, for the bottom of the page, so something like, I guess, MDN audio length, I guess, HTML media element dot duration. So I can have, yeah, let's try console logging this, I guess. Dot duration. What does this print? It prints nano. Nice. Why is it not a number? Pop up. Maybe trying to refresh this would fix it. Well, this is certainly working much better, but Firefox seems to have some problems with this. So I don't have Chrome with me. Do I have Brave? I have the setup of Brave, I guess, so that's something. But I'll just try using Chrome, or yeah, since I have Edge, which is the same thing as Chrome, I guess I'll try that out. I just hope I don't have to log into everything again. Right, cool. Wait, this isn't the right one. I need Notion podcasts. Well, now there are two of me looking at this. I'll just close this one. And yes, yeah. Yeah, Muthu is asking if I'm building Notion. Nope, I'm building a kind of a embedded player which works inside of Notion itself. So it would be an embedded music player for now. And then I want to build something like it would read the contents of the Notion page automatically and then convert that into an audio file and embed it inside Notion itself. So, well, that's the end product, but the middle parts will be quite boring. So I'm like going to the end thing and actually building out the player and then building backwards from there, make it somewhat more interesting to at least see. Well, I think so, yeah. We can embed like third party components, although that's an interesting question. Well, a good way to try it out is to just do it directly, I guess. So yeah, well, actually I've embedded third party components before, but I haven't tried embedding my own components in there. So yeah, good that this page is empty, so I can just start in here. Embed, well, paste in an embed URL. So I'm not sure if we can embed code sandboxes. I don't think we can, but I'll just try it once. And if this doesn't work out, then I'll try something else. Okay, yeah, I don't think code sandbox allows me to embed. I've tried this before, but let's see if I want to embed the code sandbox itself, right? And just the preview, copy embed code. So certainly I know like I would be able to embed this. So I'm assuming that it would allow, oh wait, why can't I delete this? Yeah. So if I go slash embed, paste this in here. Wait, what happened? Not sure. I pasted in the iframe here, but okay, yeah, it's doing something. Yeah, well, Muthu was right there that it indeed disables iframes, but yeah, like if I like embed from code sandbox, like the actual code sandbox, then it does that correctly. Yeah. So I think I'll just assume that when I do this as a third party app, I would be able to do it. But I guess an easy way to find out is to upload this to GitHub and then uh, go from like Netlify from there. So let's say I create. Yeah, I think I have a Notion podcast. Okay, why? Why is it creating a repository? Okay. Alright, I think I only have one of these, so it's fine for now. And I'll simply go on Netlify and then try to host this, I guess, because I know that Netlify allows iframes. Why is this taking so long? Well, this won't really tell me anything unless I refresh the page, so hmm, what is this even? Oh, okay, I tried to log in, right, and then it bugged out. Well, let's just go to Firefox again, I guess. Okay, this is unnecessarily slow. Let's try from Vercel, I guess. I don't know. Okay, cool. So I'll just create a new site from the Git and yeah, Notion podcast, the main branch, and then try to deploy this. Cool. So meanwhile, I guess we'll just have a look at the deploy. And continue to code from there. So you fork. Okay, so they went to this podcast, this repository. I can go back and connect it to the repo I have, I think. Or okay. So yeah, that's something weird that Code Sandbox does. So I can't use this repository anymore. I have to go back to this one and then fork from there. And then rename this to something meaningful, I guess. Error building. Build script return non-zero error. So cannot add property target object is not extensible. Well, I'm not sure what this means. All right, so hmm. Well, I'll just retry this again and hope for the best, I guess. Well, this is most of programming, to be honest. You just fix random errors while working on the main thing and hope for the best, I guess.
I'm currently
So, I wanted to get the duration. It's nan, which is not what we want. Hmm. How do I get this then? Like, I think I probably need to assign this at the end. So, const audio object is what I should do in here. And then audio object ref dot current equals audio object at the end. Wait, it still throws nan. Oh, because while it's loading, I don't think I can get it directly. I need to attach a event handler for that. So meanwhile, I'll just let it load. Okay, this crashed at the same place. I'll have a look at it later. Okay, so I think for now you can embed anything into Notion, so I'll just go with that and continue building my app, and then later on check what that error is which was popping up. So yeah, I think this is what I want to do right now. Cool. So yeah, that was exactly what I wanted. Now if can playthrough is running, then it can console log the current value over there. Cool. So what else do I need from the Figma file? Well, there's, I guess, remaining time and the current play time. So for now, I guess let's not focus on this one. Let's just try to build this. I have a an empty part over here. I just need to fill it with the gray color. I mean, it's the same color right now, but whatever. Let's try it out. So I have got the two podcast names up there, and I need it at the bottom. So yeah, I guess I'll just paste in the color in here and have it 100% set on it. So what happened? We're clearly not seeing it in there. Wait, oh god, I refreshed the iframe. That's fine for now. Okay, good. It has no height is the problem. So I'll give it a height of 20 pixels, I guess. Maybe that should have worked, but not sure why that's not working. Huh. Okay, it's invisible, not sure why. Okay, yeah. So I needed to add background color in here, which was my problem, I guess. Well, yeah, that was it. Now, why does it not want to take the full width there? Okay, it's because its parent element doesn't have the full width available to it. So if I go with 100%, that kinda pushes over the element on the left. So I think I'll need to add flex shrink 0 to it. Yeah, that seems to work. So I'll add flex shrink of 0 here, and a style of with 100% to this one. I think it reinstalls all dependencies every time, which is weird because it doesn't really need to do that. So Yeah, well, this div is working fine, and then we need an overlay on top of that, which can just be position absoluted, I think. But let me see what I can do here to push it to the bottom. Uh-huh. Okay. Well, I need to add a flex direction of column. Cool. Yeah, that's what I wanted. This should actually do it. So I'll just let it run and let it be itself for a while. And I think, yeah, this needs to be position relative for me for now. Or should I put this as position relative? I think that would be quite better because I can just position it on top of it then. And have something like width of 60%. Let's see whether it picks up percentage correctly. Then I can just pass in the percent of the current thing which is passed in there. Okay, this is loaded in, but okay, yeah, that's working fine. Well, to make it clickable is another thing, but we could use this for now. So
I'm currently
while this plays,
going through a
I can have it fill the current length of it. So I guess something like, I'm not sure how far to read it, like Okay, so yeah, I do have odd like the current duration, but current time elapsed is what I need. So yeah, let's say current time. So how far along do we need current time actually? I'm not sure. Oh, okay. So it has on time update. Okay, so I have the time update here. So I can simply add an event listener for that. So
I'm currently going through a project bootcamp run by Anusha
Ah,
Jain
okay,
with my
so this is
wonderful
working.
partner Madhvi Swami and learning
Cool.
the various aspects of product management. Instead of creating
Nice, so I can use that. So I'll map current time here and then simply have the width as alright, so this should recalculate width whenever current time and duration
I'm
changes.
currently going through a project bootcamp run by Anusha Jain with my wonderful partner Madhvi Swami and learning the various aspects of product
Cool.
management.
This is working.
Instead of creating personal notes, I'm doing a bit of hash learning in public and sharing all that I have learned with screenshots on my blog. I'm going to write in a very notesy way, so there will be slightly lesser.
Okay, clearly this audio is too long, so it's taking a bit time to go through all of that. Let's say if I have a shorter audio clip. Okay, nice. Since this is a URL, I can use it directly actually. So go here and update that. Awesome. So I just need a way to update it smoothly. Not sure if this works. Alright, it's kind of working. Yeah, I need to refresh the page to fix that. Hmm. Well, this is kind of working, but I think I need to find a better solution. And we need to have bottom right radius as 8 if it reaches 100% width. So if or let's say I guess just greater than equal to well, I'm not sure what expression it expects there. Isn't even giving a error there correctly. Yeah, this isn't particularly helpful. What do I even do here? Well, I think I'll stop for now and I'll continue later on with this. So yeah, thanks for watching, whoever's still watching this, and catch you next time.